you ever noticed when someone is smiling, they are not smiling only by their lips but also with the eyes? Or when we say someone is talking friendly, it's not all about choosing words, but also about intonations, up and downs, and silence. What about visuals? Do we have silent storytellers in visuals? Hi, my name is Hadis Maliki, and one of the fields that I have studied is animation direction. Anyway, in this class, we put on our detective hat. We make experiments in our lab. We do experiments and make results and then analyze them. And maybe in this detective project, we can discover one of those silent storytellers. For this class, you don't need any special material or any background. You can use whatever material you want, or no, you can work digital, or even no, you can just cut papers and take photo with the mobile you're watching this class. So are you ready? Put on your detective hat and let's get started.